the main restaurant is the one at the entrance, right? There we have a buffet for breakfast and dinner, but also a la carte.
Okay.
If the clients come with the half board or breakfast included, they can do it there. Or if it's not included, they can pay and use it there. Right? And here we have a snack bar, but it's the opening time is
Yeah.
from 11 till 5 till 6. Now it's till 5 in winter. In summer it's a bit longer.
Outside. There's another garden there that is. Ah.
Puro Christian Sur también.
Ah. Exit there as well.
Yeah.
I like.
Tiene dos salidas por esquina, todos tienen. They are all have both two exits.
Este es el We walk in shower.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can request, but we never guarantee.
Yeah, sure.
But
Yes,
as
yeah. Ja. Mhm. Ég var að reyna að sjá að það Aquamar þarna fyrir ofan. Við erum með það líka, eða ekki?
So downstairs we have the main restaurant, which is the breakfast and the dinner area. We have a spa, which is one floor down, which is not hotel because we are going to steer on the trip, so we are not going to take it on that round. It will be a different company, and they are going to make we call it.
Er þetta borðað úti, skvísur? Það er eitthvað næs.
And in the main restaurant there's a separate area, so when you get into the restaurant, this is in my favorite club area where I have an exclusive club. And we have some that are this way. So, but here it's not normally in the Aluas they have a counter some that's deep now, it's I think 150, so you can enjoy it. It's heated all year round, heated, and we made the pool lift already for the
That's good.
handicap guests. Maybe you need a walk-in shower. So it depends on the grade which you have. Many times they say, "Oh no, please don't. I want to have any tiles on the bathroom." I don't need that. I just need a walk-in shower. They were infiltrated and we only have showers in the gym. This was the clean club area, which was around the corner on the right. This is now our gym area. It's quite spacious because the mini club was spacious. And we are now the machines which you see right now, they will be there for the next 2 weeks, and then we are going to have new machines. So if you want to see it now, tell me. If not, I'm telling you, and you are going to stay. So if you are
We
looking
can
at
just
the
take a
gym,
look. Yeah.
yeah? If not, let me know, and I'm
We have
going
a
to show
lift
you.
notebook.
There lift and cardio. No, it was hotel. It was, I believe, not the apartment. It was also
It was a hotel.
just hotel. Yes, family friendly. So they had many families. Yes.
No, it's only 16 or older. Or?
Yes.
Yeah.
16 above.
Above, yeah. Yeah.
Nóa sjampói og stækkunarspegill, alltaf plús.
Bara ef hann dettur ekki af vögnum.
Tampoco sucede.
Já. Hvað var að segja að það er bara verður tóttir? Já, það er ekki.
The normal style they are based in Pronosy, and they have an amazing view to the sea. So the views are great, but they don't have a balcony. So they say, okay, the views are great. So the first time I saw them, one of those, we says, oh, they're great. So if I don't need a balcony,
Já, það er fallega.
En samt alveg með ákveðnum hömlum því að það er ekkert auðvitað að koma stofnum svona í herbyggið.
Já.
Og þetta er ekkert ákveðum. Við erum með sæmanlið og erum núna við veggjum. Við vorum með svoleiðis.
Já, já. En þau þurfa bara að fylla inn standart og þetta gerir það.
Já, já. En þetta Oh, how nice.
To say to all the clients, you will get this cover balcony, you get the industry, because it really depends.
we are going to put tables. The idea is to put tables and chairs as well. Some tables are coming, and the rest. And let's see the other one, because this one is okay. We have fine current news over the mountains as well. And
Yeah.
the cars.
And also the service.
Yeah. Nákvæmlega.
Hyatt is the group, and Hyatt has more or less 29 brands. And Allure is one of the brands. Allure, Dreams, Secrets, Breathless, Surgery, they belong to RM Resorts. It's an American company as well, which was bought from Hyatt 5 years ago. Hyatt bought Appalachia Group, the tour operator in the States, and they bought IM Resort.